Garlic, a humble bulb with a bold flavor, has a rich and storied history that stretches back thousands of years. Native to Central Asia, particularly the regions of modern-day Iran and Turkmenistan, garlic has long been celebrated for both its culinary and medicinal properties. Early records suggest that garlic was cultivated as far back as 6,000 years ago, where it was used not only as food but also as a powerful medicine. Its spread across the ancient world was rapid, finding its way into the diets and healing traditions of civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. The first recorded mention of garlic dates to around 2000 BCE in ancient Mesopotamia, where it was believed to possess almost magical properties that could ward off evil spirits and treat various ailments. The ancient Egyptians, known for their advanced knowledge of medicine, held garlic in high regard. It was used to treat a wide range of conditions, from digestive issues to infections. There are records of garlic being provided to workers who labored on the Great Pyramids, likely to improve their strength and stamina. In addition to its medicinal uses, garlic was also thought to protect against evil and had spiritual significance. Egyptian priests often used garlic in their rituals, and it was even buried with pharaohs, a testament to its importance in both life and death. As garlic's use expanded throughout the ancient world, it became an essential part of both everyday cuisine and ritual practices, revered for its ability to enhance both health and flavor. As garlic spread across Europe, it became a staple in the kitchens of the ancient Greeks and Romans. The Greeks, known for their philosophical and scientific contributions, recognized garlic as a powerful medicinal plant. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, recommended garlic for treating a variety of conditions, including respiratory ailments, wounds, and even as a remedy for parasites. Similarly, the Romans used garlic in their cuisine and as a tonic for strength and health. Roman soldiers believed that garlic gave them the energy and endurance needed for long marches and battles. By the time garlic reached the Middle Ages, it had become widely cultivated across Europe, especially in regions such as Spain, France, and Italy, where it became an integral part of local cooking traditions. In addition to its culinary and medicinal uses, garlic was steeped in folklore and superstition. In medieval Europe, it was believed to have powerful protective qualities, warding off evil spirits, vampires, and diseases such as the plague. Garlic's strong odor was thought to purify the air and prevent illness, leading to its use in households and even placed in doorways to protect against unwanted spirits. During times of plague, garlic was commonly carried or worn as a preventive measure, and it was also used in various potions and charms. This superstitious connection between garlic and protection persisted well into the Renaissance and beyond, when garlic was considered both a charm and a cure. By the 17th century, garlic's culinary popularity had firmly established it in global kitchens, especially as trade routes expanded. As explorers ventured into the New World, they brought garlic with them, introducing it to the Americas. Garlic's adaptability and resilience allowed it to thrive in a variety of climates, spreading across continents and becoming a key ingredient in the diverse cuisines of the world. In the modern era, garlic is grown in nearly every part of the world, with China being the largest producer. Its continued use in cooking, medicine, and folklore speaks to its enduring legacy, as garlic remains a symbol of health, vitality, and cultural exchange, embodying both tradition and innovation in kitchens across the globe.